Let's look for Ajit. There he is. Looks super busy.
Yo.
Hey, are we intruding?
Yes.
Awesome. Let's get started.
All right, let's get started.
Working out?
See it, right?
Next question. So tell us what's new with Furlenco.
369, unlimited, new cities,
How many cities?
13 cities till date.
What is unlimited?
It's the Netflix of furniture.
How's the market reacting to unlimited?
3,000 customers and $3 million in top line.
So how much free cash does each unlimited customer generate in the first month itself?
About $450 bottom line, each customer the first month itself.
Wow. Now tell me what's 369, Ajit?
Customers can pay upfront 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months in advance, and that becomes revenue for us immediately.
And how much revenue does each 369 customer generate for you?
Roughly 3 times the current or the previous ARPU, which is about $30. So now actually it's not 3 times, it's about 4 times. So 4x of $30, which is about $120.
Wow. And what does all this mean for Furlenco now?
Oh, we're going to be operational cash flow positive by end of this month, November 2021.
Wow. By when are we going to be profitable completely?
We will be free cash flow positive by mid of next year, FCF positive, yes.
Great. Now can you describe your new brand Furlenco in one line?
You mean Furbicle, right? Furlenco is not a new brand.
Furbicle, sorry.
Absolutely. Furbicle is India's first and the largest re-commerce company which sells remanufactured, refurbished furniture to public.
So how big is Furbicle now?
Furbicle is now already a $3 million company, incidentally. Yeah.
Wow. Awesome.
Shall we go up?
Yeah, sure. I'll take the stairs.
All right, let's go.
See you there.
Hey, Hitesh.
Hi.
Panting, no?
A little.
Well, that's why I told you you should go to the gym.
Will do, Ajit. Wow, what's this?
Prava. So this is our foray into e-commerce business. We're going to be selling now, but designer luxury furniture.
Wow. And when is this launching now?
This month, November. You can go and check it out already in www.prava.co. It's a mobile site. And this is what you will see.
Looks amazing.
Yes.
And how do these brands come together?
Well, good question. So Furlenco, Furbicle, Prava, they're all connected with a common theme, which is sustainability. So everything that we do has to do something with furniture which is going out and coming back. For example, even with a model like Prava, which is e-commerce, furniture will be bought back. We are giving an assured buyback to customers. And we are bringing this all under one mothership, and we're calling it House of Kiraya.
House of Kiraya. That's great. Next one's a tough one.
Okay.
Which one's your favorite now?
My favorite is, no, it's House of Kiraya.
Nice. And how much is House of Kiraya's revenue?
Well, as we stand, we closed last month at $35 million annualized. This month, we're going to be closing at $40 million. We were at about $13 million 6 months back. So just about 6 months, we've reached 300% growth. That's the fastest you can get.
Mind-boggling numbers, huh?
Yes, absolutely. We should all be proud of it. Hey,
yeah, absolutely.
Hey Ajit.
Yes, Babu.
So where do you think HOK will be in the next 1 year?
We should hit at least about $100 million in annualized revenue.
Wow. And in the next 5 years?
$1 billion in revenue.
That is phenomenal.
Does that mean you're going for IPO then?
Yes, I would like to. The biggest open secret now.
And what about going international?
That also I would like to. Absolutely.
Nice. Looking forward.
Should we go and check out design room now?
Absolutely. Why not?
All right, let's go. All right, this is the design floor.
Nice. How many SKUs?
200 SKUs.
And how much furniture are we shipping out every month?
Well, as of last month, we shipped out $90 million worth of retail value of furniture annualized.
Wow. And
Yes.
how many trucks do we need for that?
3,000 trucks, would you believe that?
Oh my God. Tell me something, Ajit. How are you handling this scale?
Well, we have the best furniture tech stack in the world, I can tell you that. And they provide magic.
Awesome. And how many engineers do you have for that?
75. Again, can you believe that? 75 engineers have created all these magic.
That's great. Now, how many design awards have you won?
See for yourself. 7 till date.
That's quite a lot.
Yes.
And who's your favorite designer?
My favorite designer is... Next question. Yes, sir.
How many customers till date?
250,000.
How many employees?
520 on the rolls and 1,500 off the rolls.
Wow.
Yes.
Why don't you give out employee discounts?
Well, if customers are valuing these products so much, it is incorrect of me to discount them when other employees have worked hard on that same product. If customers are giving you that kind of value, we should give the same value everywhere. No differentiation between employees and customers.
Got it. Rohin, let me ask you a question. What's the most typical CEO thing about Ajit?
Yes. Not just one, there are three.
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
First one would be he's a perfect mix of left and right brain.
That's what.
Well, that was a politically correct answer. Now let me get to quirky ones. He would always say, I don't like red in that brand, blue in that brand, and yellow in that brand. He's always like that. And the best thing would be, he just churns out brands like anything.
Yeah. You wanted to use some other word, right, for churn? Okay, that's it.
Priyank, over to you now. What's the least CEO thing about Ajit now?
2 I can think of. One, he'll give you a very hard time the entire day. But HOK bar he will only open.
We should do that today evening then.
Yeah, let's do.
Absolutely. So Ajit, what's the next big thing you're excited about?
Well, as Rohin was mentioning, I'm good at churning brands apparently. So maybe another brand, some interesting brand. Wait for it.
Looking forward to it. Lot of suspenses, huh?
Lot of suspense.
So Ajit, last question.
Anji.
What's something no one in your team knows about you yet?
हम बेवफा हरगिज़ न थे पर हम वफा.
Perfect time to say goodbye.
Thank you.